This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home is the perfect place for your family to call home. The smart open concept floor plan makes the first floor of the home feel bright and open. The arches between the living area and kitchen add charm and character to the home. The kitchen features an abundance of counter space, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinetry. The 4 generous-sized bedrooms are upstairs. The master bedroom featured vaulted ceilings. The backyard is very spacious and has room for the whole family to have a good time, even furry family members with a convenient fenced-in backyard. For more information, review the details below.